We have crews on point duty and patrol. Point duty is where a vehicle sits on a specific location, such as a bridge structure, sort of Port Mann or the Massey Tunnel, and they're the first responders to an incident. So they get out and assist the motorists or get them out of the way so that traffic is flowing as freely as possible, as quickly as possible. Patrol is when the crew members out driving around looking for issues on the roadway or IDing potential problems, reporting back to the foreman or manager and getting them rectified and fixed. If they can fix it quickly, they get out and repair the pothole or the flooding situation right away, and it's done. However, if we were advised of an incident, our vehicles have to travel through the same traffic volumes. We don't have any additional abilities to drive through traffic like police or a fireman, so we have to follow with traffic. And when we get to the incident or accident, then that's when we start attending to it. And we'll get the disabled vehicle or damaged vehicle off the road as soon as possible, as long as they're not injured or as long as they don't need additional third-party services. We're cognizant of keeping the roads flowing as freely as possible and as safely as possible. We're out there trying to maintain that on a daily basis. Be patient. If you do come across our crews working in the roadway, whether on the shoulder or in the traveled portions of the lane, please give them space. Please slow down. They're out there trying to alleviate the issue as soon as possible and make the roadway free-flowing as quickly as possible so you can travel freely again.